Homies, what up? My name is Anthony Greatness Cott, and I am a dancer, motivational speaker, and much, much more. Blame my ADHD. Most of you know, some of you don't, that I'm going to be doing a Michael Jackson Thriller remake video next month. Now, I have a question for you before we even get started. How do you think that I should do this remake? Should I do it shot for shot? Should I change the storyline? What kind of creative ideas do you have? Let me know in the comments what you would like to see in this Michael Jackson Thriller remake, and I will try to bring some of those ideas to life. Now, I'm recording this video because I'm learning the Thriller dance over the next couple of weeks, and I'm doing a progress video. So last week, week one, I showed you how much of the Thriller dance that I remember, and it wasn't a lot. And I've practiced a couple times this week, probably not as much as I should, but I practiced a couple times this week, so I'm gonna show you today how much I've learned in this first week. There's nothing else to say. Check out my progress. Let's go. Not gonna lie, I have a long ways to go. I got a lot of practicing and rehearsing to do in the next week. I am not gonna lie to you if I want to get this done by the time frame that I want to get this done by. So I gotta practice, I gotta rehearse, I gotta get in the lab so that I can do it all the way to the end and I can be a little more accurate, because you probably saw that I mess up. But please join me on this journey. Every week I'll be posting a progression video until I get the full dance, and then I'm gonna drop a Thriller remake video. So please stick around. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to see in this video. I'll end this video the same way I end all my videos, by saying this: I believe that I am great. I believe that you are great. I believe that life is great. So go be great. I'm out.